For many, escaping from an abusive home is just the beginning, because there's surviving the immediate crisis and then there's recovery, everything that comes next. And for the longest time, there's been this assumption that after a victim survivor escapes abuse, most often a woman, though not always, they pick up where they left off before the relationship and life goes back to normal. But that assumption is wrong. Rebuilding a life can take years or even a lifetime, and it's about so much more than simply staying alive. It's about reclaiming your independence, rebuilding your life on your terms, and every single one of us can help. Help build a world where the 1 in 5 people who've been abused by their partner in Australia can thrive, not just survive. Join me, journalist Sally Spicer, for a new season of There's No Place Like Home, Paths to Healing, where we shine a light on the remarkable programs and people helping survivors to rebuild their lives on their terms.